In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join LinkedIn groups. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to be logged into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't done that yet, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Here, simply enter your login credentials and you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find a section labeled Groups. Go ahead and click on that. LinkedIn is smart. It's already suggesting several groups for you based on your interests and activity. These suggestions are a wonderful starting point because they are specifically tailored to fit your professional background and current interests. But don't limit yourself just to these initial recommendations. If you're curious and want to explore even more options, just scroll down to the bottom of that section and click on Show All. By doing this, you'll expand your view, unveiling even more groups that might catch your interest or benefit your professional endeavors. Now, perhaps you have a specific group in mind. LinkedIn makes it easy for you to find such groups too. Just move to the search bar located at the top of the page, type in the name or relevant keywords related to the group that piques your interest. Let's use an example. Say you're passionate about boxing and you want to connect with like-minded professionals. Just type boxing into the search bar. Instantly, LinkedIn will present you with a variety of related results, including groups and content that are connected to those keywords you entered. Once you come across a group that draws your attention, click the Join button. It's important to note that some groups will grant you instant access after you make this request, while others might require a bit more patience as they call for approval from a moderator. If approval is needed, you might have to wait a short while. This step is crucial as it helps moderators maintain the quality and relevance of the group, ensuring that the environment remains beneficial for all participants. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to join LinkedIn groups. Whether your aim is to network, gain industry insights, or share experiences with other professionals, LinkedIn groups are a phenomenal way to broaden your connections and expand your knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like